Welcome. Today we are discussing Module 2.2, Building a Hello World LLM Chain with LangChain, Practical. Here is a quick look at where we are in our curriculum. Welcome back, engineers. Today we're moving from theory to practice by building our first production-grade LangChain pipeline. Instead of writing messy, hard-coded API requests, we will use the LangChain Expression Language, or LCEL, to gracefully chain a chat prompt template, an OpenAI chat model, and a string output parser. As you can see in this sequence diagram, the input flows smoothly through each component, transforming raw arguments into polished strings. This architecture forms the foundational bedrock of all enterprise AI applications, ensuring predictable data flows and absolute modularity. Now let's look at the implementation. Here is our clean, production-ready Python script using modern LCEL. Notice how the pipe operator links our prompt, chat model, and string parser into a single execution chain. This clean separation of concerns prevents hard-to-debug integration errors in production. To help you get started immediately, I have provided all this setup for you. Go ahead and check the link in the description to download the architecture diagram and script, and run it directly on your machine with your API key. When you run this script in your terminal, the structured output is printed cleanly without any raw API response metadata. Witnessing this successful run is exciting, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. To build advanced retrieval systems like RAG, we must first understand how to represent textual information mathematically. That is why in our next upcoming lecture, Module 3.1, Deep Dive into Text Embeddings, Theory, we will break down the neural mechanisms behind semantic search and vectors. I will see you in the next class.